If you clicked on this video, you're probably looking for a Nexo referral code that will give you a sign-up bonus of up to $100 in Bitcoin. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to get that bonus. First of all, there's two different referral links that you should use depending on how much money you intend to deposit onto your Nexo wallet. If you're going to deposit at least $1,000 worth of assets into your Nexo wallet, then you can use the first link down below in the description, which is collectioncrypto.com/100. This is going to get you a sign-up bonus of $100 in Bitcoin. However, you're going to need to deposit at least $1,000 in assets onto your account and hold it there for 30 days. If you're going to deposit less than $1,000 into your Nexo wallet, then you should use the second link in the video description, which is collectioncrypto.com/Nexo25. This is going to get you a sign-up bonus of $25 in Bitcoin if you deposit more than $100 in assets onto your Nexo account and hold it there for 30 days. So step number one is to use the correct referral link down below in the video description. This will get you to this special sign up page of Nexo. Here, just click on get $100 in BTC or get $25 in BTC, depending on what referral link you have used, and then simply sign up for your Nexo account. You're gonna need to complete the identity verification so you can actually deposit assets onto Nexo. So click on your account icon on the top right, then click on My Profile, and then start the verification process. It's gonna take like 5 minutes and you're gonna need some kind of ID document or your passport. And then when the identity verification is complete, you can deposit assets onto your Nexo account. On the account page, scroll down and find the crypto or fiat currency that you want to deposit onto your account. Once you find it, click on Top Up and then send the crypto to the deposit address that you can see there, or if you're going to deposit fiat currency, send it to the correct bank account using the right reference number. And keep in mind that in order to qualify for the sign-up bonus, you're going to need to deposit at least $100 or $1,000 worth of assets depending on what referral link you have used. However, it doesn't matter if you're going to deposit fiat currency or cryptocurrency. You'll also need to hold your assets on Nexo for at least 30 days, and then after those 30 days, your reward will be unlocked in your Nexo account. If you want to know how to get the highest interest rate on Nexo, make sure you watch my complete Nexo tutorial next. You can just click on this video right here, and I'm going to walk you through everything step by step.